Arrive in style with this Ram 2015 1500 Lone Star. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, charge-only remote USB port, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 5.0 AM/FM BT, air conditioning, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.